question 3, it says that a diagram shows a sector of a circle center O with OB, OC equals to 15. The size of angle BOC is 2 by 5 pi. Points A and D lie on the line OB and OC and are joined by an arc AD of a circle center O. The shaded area is bounded by the arcs AD and BC, and the area of the shaded region is 209 upon 5 pi. We have to find the perimeter of the shaded region, giving our answer in terms of pi. Now, to find the perimeter of the shaded region, we should know that it includes the line AD. So we can write the perimeter. So the perimeter will be is equals to the length of the line AD, AB plus the line DC plus the arc length AD. So we can write it as arc AD plus arc length of BC. Now, to find the length of AB, first we need to find the length of OA, and then we'll be able to find the length of AB as well. And once we have this length, we know that AB and DC will be equal. And then once we have this OA length, we can find the arc length AD as well. And then we can directly find the arc length BC using the formula S equals to R theta. Now, how to find the length OA? We know that the area of the shaded region is 209 upon 5 pi. So we know that to find the area of the shaded region, it is equals to the area of the sector. So we can write it as area of the sector BOC minus the area of the sector AOD. Now we know that this angle is 209 upon 5 pi. So the total area will be half, where the formula is half r squared theta. So we can write it as half into r squared will become 15 squared multiplied by theta is given as 2 by 5 pi. So this will become 2 upon 5 pi minus. Now let's assume that this length is x. So in any of these questions, if we have an unknown value, we should directly assume it by giving it an unknown value like x, y, or z. So we know that the area AOD will be equals to half into x squared into the angle, which is 2 upon 5 pi. And we know that this difference will be equal to the area of the shaded region, which is 209 upon 5 pi. Now, simplifying this, we know that 15 square is 225. So 225 into 2 upon 5 pi minus this will become half into x squared into 2 by 5 pi is equals to 209 pi by 5. Now we can simplify, we can cancel this 2 out over here, 5 1 times, 5 4, and this will become 45. This 2 and 2 will cancel out, so we'll get 209 pi upon 5. And we can also take pi common on the right hand side, so this will become pi into, so this will become 45 minus x squared, as 2 and 2 cancelled out. So this will become, okay, we already also have a 5 over here. So this will become x squared upon 5. Now pi and pi will cancel out. So this will become 209 upon 5 is equals to, now we can take the LCM. So 45 times 5 will be, that is 225 minus x squared upon 5. This 5 and 5 cancels out. We bring the x squared over here, subtract 209. So x squared is 16. The value of x will be equals to 4. Obviously, we'll take the positive value. Now, once we have this length, which is now the length of OA or OD, we can easily find the arc length over here for AD. So the arc length is given by the formula. So we can make some space over here. So the arc length is given by S is equals to R theta. The radius is now 4 into the angle is 2 by 5 pi. So this total length is 8 by 5 pi. And so this is the arc length AD. We can write it as arc length AD. And then the arc length of BC will be given by, so the total radius was 15. So that would become 15 multiplied by 2 by 5 pi. So we can write it as 5 times 3 is 15. So this will become 6 pi. Now we have these arc lengths, and this total length was 15. So we know that AB will be 11, as this length is 4 and this is 4. So this will also be 11. So this will become 22 plus 8 upon 5 pi plus 6 pi. So we can write it over here, 8 upon 5 plus 6, taking the LCM. That will become 6, 5 just 30, so 38 upon 5 pi. So 22 plus 38 upon 5 pi centimeters is the perimeter of the shaded region.